Remember the stunning Neolun concept from Genesis from a few years back? That looker previews the design language for the upcoming GV90. And, according to Car Magazine, the production version will retain one neat party trick from the concept when it shows up potentially next month. Peter Kronschnabel, the managing director for Genesis Europe, says the GV90 will be the only car with rear-opening doors in its segment. He's referring to the coach doors, which you might know better as Rolls-Royce style doors. Genesis plans to debut the GV90 sometime later this month. That's likely code for "See you at Car Week." The plan, as has been reported, will be to launch the GV90 as a large electric vehicle. Genesis could add a hybrid or range-extended EV down the road, but there's likely no plan for a pure combustion version. Hopefully, the production version retains as many of the styling elements of the Neolun as possible. Everything from the light treatment to the wheels looks fantastic and serves to help set this apart as a true flagship machine.